video. Today I have a special person with me, actually who recently got study visa for higher studies in Canada. His name is Asif Imran, and he got visa for study post-baccalaureate diploma or postgraduate diploma, 2 years in Douglas College, which is in British Columbia. It's very close to Vancouver. It's in New Westminster. It's the largest public college in British Columbia, one of the biggest college, one of the best college in British Columbia. So today I'll talk to him regarding his experience with us so far, and we would like to know something about his experience. So Asif, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Okay, so how you're feeling now? You got the visa and you were quite nervous before that, and your father is very close to me. Definitely, we can say one kind of you are family member of us. So how are you feeling now? When you got the visa and you are flying very soon, I think 2nd of February, right?
Yes.
So how is you feeling?
Actually, I'm really feeling great. I was really nervous, as you said before, because there are many rejections and everything. Lots of things to worry about.
And about the college, about the PGD program.
About the program, where to go, where to choose. But sir, actually, you were always there. Prominent was always there because you helped me to choose the perfect program right for my academics. And then from starting from the application process till I got the passport, you helped me through every steps. So actually, as kind of, my nervousness got, it was lessened by your help actually. And no matter whatever I needed, you were always there to support. So you're always a call away.
How are you feeling now? How is your? How you are excited?
Sir, I'm really happy now, alhamdulillah, that I actually finally got the visa. Thanks to the Almighty, and thanks to actually the prominent and everyone in my family as well, whoever supported me. Because without all this support, sir, I really don't think that I would have been able to got this
just
visa.
One thing I just want to know from you, that there are a few other countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, European countries. So these are the top popular countries actually that students are preferring to study. So why have you chosen Canada? Why not other
First of all, as I know, North American degree is always one of the best in the world. And in Canada, in other countries, like after finishing your degree, there is a high chance that you have to come back to the country. But in Canada, if there is a very high rate of students who are staying back and good chance of getting a PR there, so which will help me to flourish my career better. So that is one of the reasons.
And definitely, there are some other reasons that we can focus. Like it's English-speaking country.
Yes, sir.
And it's one of the safest countries in the world, because in Canada you won't face any trouble. They have the multicultural societies. The people are so welcoming. The government itself is very welcoming to the international students, and they're very supportive as well. So when the international student is thinking that if I should go some places actually which is very safe and are welcoming, people are good, so definitely in Canada, so this environment is there.
Yes, sir.
So that's one important, and definitely PR is the best option, that you don't need to come back. You can work there, and that's why we say study, work, and settle. So finally you can settle down yourself in Canada after your graduation or after your study. So could you please tell something about your academic background and your IELTS score?
Yes, I did my O-levels and A-levels from Mastermind School, and I did my computer science and engineering from Brack University. I got 7 in IELTS.
Okay. So I know especially that you have searched a lot of courses before applying to Douglas colleges. So far I know you have searched for masters in computer science or something like that. But I have suggested you for post-baccalaureate diploma, since the data analytics has a huge demand in Canada. And one more thing that people should know, that software engineers are highly paid in Canada. They are the highly paid in Canada. So in that case, I have advised him finally that you should choose a college program, because the college programs are mostly practical based and you will learn properly. And because software or the data analytics are completely actually the technical program, so definitely you should learn things the practical. And Douglas is one of the best college for that. So before applying to a college, you have studied in Brack University. So don't you think that why should I apply to a college and why should I apply to a PGD? I want to do a master's. Don't you? think about that?
No, sir. I have actually thought practically here because Canada, these PGD programs are very highly praised and very highly valued. So, with just little, the masters are very expensive on the other hand, and so these programs are. I have heard many of my friends, and as you suggested, sir, that people do get very high salary jobs from this, and the job market is very, it's very big whenever you graduate from such programs. So I thought it's better to choose this program.
Definitely, and to be honest, that I have talked with so many people who are settled in Canada right now, and they have said that the Canadians, they don't actually do masters and bachelors. They really do diploma, and they join to a company, and they are working very successfully. So it's not that. And if you also see the different videos or recruitment policy in Canada, they don't look for your GPA, CGPA or something like that. You have a degree in masters or bachelor. They will look for the particular field, how you are experienced. So, and what do you know in that field? So that's very important. That's why you always tell students, first of all, fix up your target. What's your career goal? If you want to be a researcher, then definitely you should go to university. If you want to be a professional, a corporate leader or corporate, that corporate professional, something like that, you can choose colleges, because programs are hands-on experience based and affordable and easy to get admission. So that's the thing. So, how was your journey with Prominent so far?
The journey was very smooth from starting from the application process. To be honest, I did not have to think about anything from just starting, as you suggested my father to get us enrolled in this college, and from there I didn't actually worry about anything. Starting from the application process and through every step, Prominent was always there. I mean, there's Shami Apu, you, Tamanna Apu, all of them combinedly. I could actually reach everyone whenever needed. I remember calling Tamanna Apu at 11 at night because I was worried about something. So it was always very friendly and very smooth journey. Nothing very hectic. Everything was very well organized, and finally, I think that is the main thing that got me this result.
And we always try to do that to our students, because students are really, when they are applying for visa or something like that, they're always being nervous and they are very, very confused. So definitely we need to break those nervousness and the confusion. It's very important for us to always do that actually. And finally, something like that. You are traveling on 2nd of
February.
2nd
of February.
February. So you are going to British Columbia, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
Can you tell something about positive sides of British Columbia? Because we know Canada is a very cold country. It's very, very cold country, not cold, very, very cold. So, I mean, could you please tell something, some positive
yes,
sides
sir.
of British Columbia?
Yes, sir. I have researched quite a lot about the place. Unlike some other parts of Canada, Vancouver its weather is very nice. My university is in Vancouver, British Columbia, so the weather is very.
The winter is
not very extreme like other countries,
like other provinces.
It's very beautiful.
You won't find that kind of that extreme winter, extreme cold in winter season in Vancouver, and Vancouver is known as the 3rd livable city in the world.
Yes, and I've seen pictures of it, and it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
All Canadians and other people around the world come to Vancouver. Yeah, it's very expensive
as well. But yes, it's very livable cities in the world. So thank you so much, Asif, for joining this session with me. And if you want to say the final words, if you have any final words to our viewers.
Yes, obviously, I'll just add something that my journey with Prominent was really nice. It was very smooth. Just being honest, I did not have to worry about anything starting from the application process till the end of the time I got my passport. So the first thing that we should think about when applying abroad, that we have to find a place where we can rely on. So I think Prominent is a place where we can actually rely on and complete this entire journey. It might get hectic if we choose some other options, but like with Prominent, the journey is very smooth. That is all I want to say. And thank you, sir. And if you were not there, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have.
If I'm not there, then someone will be there, definitely.
But you actually guided me through my father actually, honestly.
And so dear viewers, it's very important to choose the right consultant. It's very important in your journey, because sometimes you choose the wrong consultant. I mean, not everyone is bad. Some people are good. So definitely they are professional, and you should choose some professional company. So I think you won't be loser. definitely. And that actually there is no visa guarantee. Definitely, I'm not that kind of capability that to give you the visa guarantee. But yes, we can guarantee you our service, our professional approach, our hard working, our concentration, that we can guarantee you. So definitely be with us and be successful and take care.